In this video, I'm out in Wimauma, Florida, in the Berry Bay subdivision, and I'm going to take you on a tour of a MI Homes new construction home that is completed and ready to go. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay Area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. All right, enough talking. Let's start today's tour. All right, so this one is the Dolly. It is the C elevation. It is a 2-story, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, 3292 square feet. Currently listed at $595,320. And if you apply the $25,000 incentive, you can take that off the sales price. This is a 60-foot lot, so the combined HOA and CDD fee is $258 per month. All right, let me pan around this part of the neighborhood, show you what it looks like. Not exactly in the cul-de-sac, but pretty close. All right, let's go inside and take a look at this one. So you get your paver driveway, your stone on the front. Do you have a covered front patio? Let's go inside. Let me know what you think about this one. You come in the front door, you have the tile floor. And to the right, they have it set up as a dining room. You could remove the chandelier if you wanted to and turn this into a flex room. You could frame it out and put doors there if you wanted to. Lots of possibilities there. Let's go upstairs first, then we'll come back down. So at the top of the stairs, you have your 2 air handlers, 2 2-ton air handlers. And then to the right here is going to be your master suite. Nice size bedroom with the tray ceiling. You have a lookout over the pond. And here is the master bath. You have your white cabinets, your granite countertops, dual vanity. Big soaker tub in the corner, your walk-in shower, and then your walk-in closet. And then your toilet is right there. Oh, and behind the door is your linen closet. Almost forgot that. All right, coming out of there, continuing on to the right, it's gonna be bedroom number 2. This one is wired for a overhead light, but there's not a fixture. And then you have your loft area here with the tray ceiling, 4 can lights, and it is wired for a ceiling fan. Well, I guess 5 can lights if you want to count that one. But then over here, it's going to be bedroom number 3. Same thing. It is wired for a light fixture, but no light. Nice size bedroom. Then here is bathroom number 2. Dual vanity. Toilet in the corner, and then your tub and shower combo. And right outside of the bathroom, you have a linen closet. And then bedroom number 4, same thing with this one. Wired overhead light, no fixture. Have a view of the pond. All right, so let's go back downstairs. finish taking a look. All right, so coming down the stairs, go immediately into the kitchen. Have your stainless steel appliances, your pantry here, the electric range and microwave, and then your under-mountain sink and dishwasher. And then there is an area here, breakfast nook here. And then your family room / living room with these sliding glass doors outside. We will go out there shortly. But let's go back here. Right here is going to be your laundry room. Then right outside of that is going to be a coat closet. And then right here is the 3-car garage. So you got the 2-car bay there. There is a wall here, which I'm not a big fan of, but I don't know, maybe you don't care. And then over here you have a little storage area, water heater. So, yep, that's gonna be that. Continuing on, over here is going to be a first floor bedroom. So bedroom number 5, same thing, wired overhead, but no fixture. And then your closet there. And then you have a door to go out to the lanai, and then a bathroom down here. So this area is great, you know, if you have guests come, or you have an older, you know, kid, whatever the situation is. All right, so out here you have a covered lanai, pretty long lanai. It is wired for overhead ceiling fan. There's your 2 AC units in the corner there, so they're not by a bedroom window that some of these builders do. Really big backyard. I mean, I'm walking for days back here. So your lot goes to right here where you can see the difference in the grass. So this far back, you got your pond view. Look at all the birds. And that's the Mar-a-Lago with the balcony above. It's not available, but there is another Mar-a-Lago here that does not have a balcony. But I was gonna do a video of that one, but there's people in there working on it right now, so I may, but we'll see. All right, so this is the back of the property here. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.